So in this Moomoo tutorial video, I am going to be showing you guys how to clean your cache on your Moomoo account. So first thing you have to do is open up Moomoo, then go to the bottom right and press on the Me icon. Once you're here, go down to the bottom to where it says Settings and press on that. Then go to the top to where it says General, so in between passwords and notifications, press on General. And if you were to go all the way to the bottom, it says Clean Cache right here, 420 MB. If we were to go ahead and press on that and then press on Confirm, all the cache within your Moomoo account will be cleaned up or will be erased or reset. So that's how you guys can clean your cache on your Moomoo account. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.